The cold winds howl. And the night sounds growl. But the bear snores on.
An itty bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in a cave from the fluff cold snow.
Mouse squeaks. So he likes weird twigs with a small hot spark.
The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the
Bear snores on.
Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, and a hare hops in.
You see who that is, Jen? See who it is? See your big brother?
Oh no.
so they pop white corn, and they brew black tea.
Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the
Snores on.
A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. Badger says with a grin.
and they nibble and they munch with us. But the
Bear
Snores on.
A gopher and a mole. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door.
Ooh.
raven mutters.
Raven says,
One night, Rick says, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den.
Gotta wait here with Daddy, Bear. Stay with Daddy. You wanna sit on my lap? Huh?
Bear
Snores.
snores
Hold my hand.
on.
Hold my hand, little one.
In a cave in the woods,
you hold my hand?
a slumbering bear sleeps
Okay.
through the party in his very own lair.
Hare stokes the fire. Wren and gopher season some stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear
He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd breathes.
and the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls. And he snarls. Bear roars. Grumbles. Bear jumps and stomps. Bear growls and he rumbles.
You stuck in my way and you all had fun, but me, I was sleepy and I had none.
And he whimpers and he moans. He and the bear blubbers
Let's see, babe.
Bear don't go. Bear growls. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tail through the blustery night.
When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends
Lexi, let's clap.